Okay, ready?
Hey guys, it's me. As you guys remember, I said I was going to give you guys some updates. Okay. Hi, Wars. Hey, Steph. Hey, Netta. Hey, Miss Green Eyes. Hello, Sierra. Hey, Kia. Hey, y'all. So y'all get ready to tomorrow we're gonna be doing the R. Kelly stuff, but tonight we are going to be giving you some update on Thug. Guess what, y'all? Guess what? On my Twitter, and I tweeted about Friday. Friday's the big day. Friday is the day. I gotta say hi to my am I live over here? Okay. Hey Twitter folks. Not Twitter. Hey hold on a second. I gotta go live. Okay, I gotta go live on my IG. Hey IG people. Okay. I'm going over. Okay. I'm getting so mixed up doing all these platforms at the same time. It gets you so like crazy, right? Okay. So can you please get straight to the point regarding Thug, please? Oh, really? On that note, I'm going to take my time. I'm going to take my time because it's not about you, okay? Oh my God, Lord have mercy. These folks come in here trying to tell me what to do. That's the wrong thing to do. Try to tell me what to do because you know what? You're going to be sitting right there and I'm going to still be talking about other stuff. Talking about. And saying please like it's going to make a difference. You tell me what to do and then you're going to say please behind it. They don't know me, do they? Obviously they don't. You waited all day long to hear information. You could have went and got the information yourself. But I guess not. Nobody's there, huh? Rob, this person don't know me. Really? Okay. So, as I was saying, you guys know some of the stuff already that's been happening. As far as jury selection, we are finally done. They're finally done with the hardship. Well, they still have some lingering hardship of people who did not show up, and they are being held in contempt. They got to answer to the judge and why they did not show up. Okay. Those people are going to show up on the 7th. Okay. On the 7th, there are also going to be other motions that's going to be taken care of. But the main motion that's going to be taken care of this Friday is a motion for reconsideration for Doug, Mr. William, and Mr. Kendrick, which is Yak Gotti. Those two have submitted motions for reconsideration of bond. It's more of a positive side now. I believe the likelihood of them getting bond is very, very, very high. And the reason why I'm saying is very, 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 very high of them getting bond, because you got two individuals who, well, just one individual who got bond, but then you have other individual who have gotten plea deals and they have already fulfilled the requirements and they have not gotten in trouble. Only person got in trouble was Mr. Greer. Young Thug's brother, but the likelihood of them getting bond is very, very high. I spoke to one of the judges, and one of the judges that handles a lot of bond hearing, and this judge basically said that during reconsideration, especially when they have other defendants who have received bond, and if a person's charges is not as severe, then they most likely would get a bond, but it's going to be like in the high range of the bond pricing costs, right? So keep your fingers crossed, prayers going up to them, and so the likelihood of them getting bond, and if this, especially with a good argument that they have had, especially with the health and condition of the prison. Well, Cobb County is not that much of an issue, but I know Fulton County for a fact. They have a lot of stuff going on with Fulton County. And that would be one of the arguments that the attorney would have, of that it's not safe, it's hazardous to help with the death of that inmate, and they're suing the jail. So that definitely plays a great part in getting a bond. So keep our fingers crossed on that. So, and that's my take on it. That's not facts. It's just my take on that. Okay. There are some motions that was submitted that the state finally responded to, and one of those motions was to suppress the evidence that was gathered during the stop. I think the traffic stop with Mr. William. I'm gonna read that with you guys later on, but I want to show you guys some footage from today, and hopefully you guys will enjoy what footage I have. Hold on a second. Let me end. IG, if you want to continue to see what's going on, come over to my YouTube, because I only do a short version on my IG, so you guys could travel over to YouTube, because it's really hard for me to keep up with two platforms with two different equipment. So come on over. Lori, come on over to the YouTube side, because only you and in here. So come on over to YouTube, okay? I'll see you guys on YouTube. Okay, I just ended my IG. Okay. Hold on, let me just tag some people. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, hold on. Tag SOHH. Okay, sorry about that. Hi, Lori. Lori says she's here. All right, let's go ahead on and show you guys some of the footage. Lori, did you get a chance to hear my announcements about the bond reconsideration hearing and my thoughts on that? I really believe that they will get it. This is my thought. This is just my thought, because of the conditions in the jail at Fulton County, with everything that has been happening. Because if you notice, a lot of the bond hearing that you have seen, like with Judge Manning and Judge Cox, they have been given a lot of bond lately because of the conditioning, and they're saying that the jail's not keeping the inmates safe. Because one inmate died there. Remember the guy that they found in the toilet? His head was on the toilet, and it had maggots and feces and all that kind of stuff on him. And they had kept him down there for a long time. And then you have different correction officers who have been getting in trouble. So there's a lot of stuff that's happening there. So they're saying that they cannot keep the inmates safe. So they've been given lots of bond, y'all. Even for harsh crime, they've been given lots of bond. Okay, so that's my take on that. Hey, YSL BK, what's going on? Haven't seen you in a while. All right, so I'm gonna show you some footage. Oh, also, what they've been doing today, they've been scrubbing a lot of the jurors to try to get a good number for the panel. So what a panel consists of is they're gonna bring 12 jurors, potential jurors in, and they're going to go through the questionnaire, right? Remember we did the questionnaire, we talked about the questionnaire before. If you guys don't remember, I'm going to bring those up, and some of the questions that was being asked in the questionnaire, I'm going to bring those up for you guys. But they're going to go over the questionnaires. There's some things that's going to be blatant that they're just going to remove that juror. You know, like, okay, if the juror come in and say, I hate people. I'm just making that up. Okay. I hate people, right? And they're gonna be like, this person hate people. No, let's get rid of them. Let's not even voir dire them. Just wipe them out. Let's take next. And then they'll go on that. And then those that they have like they want them to address this situation a little bit further, they'll go and start asking questions. The prosecution side may ask questions to that particular prospective juror, and then the defendant side going to ask some question, and then they turn around and they'll say whether or not they want to keep that person. That's what they're going to be doing the next couple of days. It's going to be 2 panel, one in the morning and one in the afternoon, 12 and 12. It's going to be 24 per day. Okay. In the meantime, that starts tomorrow, right? Then they're going to do it on Thursday, and then Friday is when they're going to have the yeah, something like that, DW, something just like that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, they have biases, and that biases they can't be impartial. You know what I mean? They're gonna be very biased by saying certain things. Okay. And then they're Friday, they're gonna have the hearing. It's gonna be at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is gonna be the bond hearing. So a lot of news people are going to be in there. They're going to be trying to get in my space, but I'm be like, get out my way. But I'm just joking. So that's going to be on Friday. So then they're going to continue doing the panel hearing, and they're going to keep going and going. Now, this is what I wanted to tell you guys. When opening argument began, okay, each defendant attorney is going to have their own opening argument. They're going to have an hour to give the opening argument. Okay. The ones that have murder charges, they're going to have 2 hours of giving opening arguments. So you have 8 defendants, and I think Shannon has murder. I think Huey has a murder. And do you remember what I said yesterday? Remember I gave you guys who had what? Was Shannon had murder, Huey, somebody else had a murder. I think it was about 3 of them that had a murder on a charge. Was it BB? No, BB didn't have murder. BB had 2 charges. Hold on. Let me open this because I think I put it Do y'all remember? See, you guys are y'all not any help, are you guys? Y'all don't even pay attention in class. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, BB was one of them, right? No, BB wasn't. Okay, let me look at it. Okay, the defendants are Nichols. Did Nichols have any? It was Nichols, Darcy, Ryan. Ryan has murder, but it's not in this case. It was a case before. He has already been tried and he's been convicted, and they're waiting for appeal on that one. Huey Kendrick didn't have it. Stillwell, that was Shannon. He had it. And I think BB. Did BB have it? Did BB have it? She said, yes, check my iPad. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, Yak Gotti has them. Thank you. 13, where you been? 13, you know you supposed to be in here giving me help. Okay, Darcy, BH. Okay, let me give you the ones that's left over. Okay, let me give you the ones that's left over, and then I'll tell you, okay? We got Nichols. Oblivious. You got Nichols, you got Dorsey, you got Ryan, got Williams, Huey, Kendrick, BB, and Stillwell. Those are the ones that's left. Those are the 8 that's left. So you're saying Yak Gotti has murder. Dorsey and who's B8? Who's that? Attempted murder. Dorsey has attempted murder. What about Nichols? Stillwell, Yak Gotti, both have murder. Okay. Yak Gotti got murder? Y'all. Okay, that's gonna be my job tomorrow to find out. Go over the ones that's left. There's charges again, because we did do the charges. I could have sworn we did the charges yesterday. Well, anyway, those are the ones they're gonna get 2 hours to do their opening argument. They'll get 2 hours to do opening argument, and the ones that not doing open argument, yes, they have Kendrick on the Donovan murder, 1 of 5 people charged with. Okay, Kendrick is okay. All right. So, but Kendrick is going for you know what? Let me, I do better. I'll call Kendrick mother. Let's see. Hold on. I'll do better than that. I'll call his mother. I hope she's up. Let's see if I can reach her. Okay.
Well. You told me you called me off when you get off the line.
You know, well, I'm on live right now because I got a question to ask you.
Yeah, it's night now. You gonna tell me you gonna call me back, huh? I saw your report though this morning, and you was happy about the last day, and all that good stuff, and I am too. And a good fight.
Well, wait a minute, because I'm on a live right now. I have a question.
They hear me?
Yeah, they hear you. Your son.
Yeah, damn.
I warned you.
Yeah, man, call me off now. What's up?
The question is, okay, your son was he charged with murder?
When?
No, I'm asking. Somebody said that Kendrick was charged with murder. Was he? I don't think so.
When?
In this case, in the YSL. Let me go in here. Let me go check it out.
I'll plead the 5th.
She said
I don't know what they're talking about.
She said she plead the 5th.
I don't know what they're talking about.
Well, anyway, okay, so look, I go back and check the paperwork. You know that, right?
You can do what you want to do. It's a free country. I don't own nothing of what you want to do. You can do what you want to do.
Yeah, okay, let me go ahead and pull it up, because you're giving me a hard time. I called, maybe I was gonna get some help here, but you're not even giving me any help. But he's going up for the hearing is on Friday. You gonna be there?
I am, of course I am. Somebody hit me today and told me about it when I was gradually chilling and stuff, and somebody hit me and told me about it. And I said, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you on live right now?
Yeah,
YouTube,
come
right?
in. Come on into the
okay,
live.
So now I'm about to now. Hold on.
Okay. All right. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So she says she plead the fifth. So, click the link. I can't click the link. There's no link. Mods, could you take Oblivious link, please? Mod, who's in here as a mod? Juanette, could you take care of that for me? Who's my mod? Green Eyes, can you guys help me out? Oblivious, just put a link in there. Could you put it in the chat so I can look it up? Let's see. See, this is why, guys, you guys need to stick with me, because let me explain something to you. You know, I do have to like tell you a little something that's going on, right? Okay. Shout out to the ones who do give me credit. Shout out to the one who's very respectful of the work that is being done on this channel. Okay. But there's a link that Oblivious put out there. There's a link. Do you see it, Monetta? Let me go see if I can pull it up from my phone. Hold on. I think hold on a second. I'm doing it from my phone for a second. Hold on. I'm trying to see. Just 1 second. Hold on a second. Got a call coming in. Hello? Okay, I'm getting crank calls, y'all. The mod's not doing their job. Okay, let me go pull it up. Hold on. Let me pull it up. You don't see it? Okay, let me see if I could pull it up. We don't see it. You know what? I'm gonna give you a mod wrench for a second, and then maybe you could put it in there. Hold on, let me give you a mod wrench so you can put it in there, so they could pull it up. All right, Oblivious, you're a mod for a second. You know I can't keep you with a mod because you be trying to zap people. Because Oblivious, go ahead, put it in now. Okay, there it is. Oblivious just put it in just now. Okay, let me see what it says here. Oh, I made a mistake. It says here, count 2, which is murder. Yeah, she's right. You got Shannon, you got Stillwell, you got Gotti, and yeah. You're right, Nard. McMullen? Wait a minute. Well, that's who I was missing. Hold on a second. Demise McMullen. McMullen is not part of it. Okay, McMullen is part of that, but he's not part of the I think he took a plea deal, didn't he? No, McMullen didn't take a plea deal. He got 7. Okay. Oh, there's 2 Nard. Okay, man. Because I'm thinking about Mender. Okay, thank you for that. Mender's not Nard. No. What's the name is Yeah. Okay. Let's leave that part alone because I don't want to get in that because I'm so confused with that. Okay. So thank you, Oblivious. Thank you. But I'm gonna take your mod wrench away because you be fighting with people, and then I can't have you fighting with folks and then be zapping people. Thank you. Oh, okay, okay. Minda has 2 nicknames. Okay. Thank you for that. You know a lot, don't you? Okay, thank you. All right. All right, let's go. Oblivious, thank you for that. Now, but I'm gonna remove your mod because I already know you. You be ready to zap somebody. Thank you, Oblivious. What was I saying? We were trying to check out. Oh, we were saying to find out who was going to get the 2 hours. So the ones that have been charged with murder, they're going to get 2 hours in opening argument. Okay. So opening argument, I'm thinking would start around the end of August, beginning of September. That's where I think opening argument is gonna. It depends how quickly they get through these the panel jury. Because remember, once the panel jury gets, and then they get a good amount for them to do the striking, because judge have to make a decision how many people he's going to have for them to start doing the striking, where this person do a strike, then that one, and so on until they get the 12 jurors that they need. Okay. If only Getty was here. Leave Getty alone. That's my buddy. Okay, but so that's going to I have some footage that I'm going to show you guys. Let me put my watermark on here. Shout out to the family if they get a chance, and all those who are watching behind the scene right now. I know you guys are coming in because I haven't shown you guys any footage in a while. My apologies. It's just been so boring, but today it was kind of interesting the way they were going back and forth trying to figure out what it's going. I'm gonna give you a snippet of what happened today. And I'm learning a lot about like the law and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and present this to you guys and help you guys to see some stuff. Okay. And this is from this morning. Okay. And they'd spend the whole day doing this. Thug's hair look nice, don't it?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, listen to the names.
Mr. Beebe and Mr. Partridge, good morning, gentlemen.
Beebe.
Mr. Stillwell, Mr. Bonson, Mr. Shaw, good morning, gentlemen.
Stillwell.
Mr. Williams and Mr. Adams, good morning.
Williams.
Mr. Kendrick and Mr. Weinstein, good morning.
Kendrick.
Mr. Huey and Mr. Matthews Jr. and Sr., good morning, gentlemen.
Huey.
Mr. Nichols and
Nichols.
Mr. Garner, good morning.
Nichols.
And Mr. Dorsey and Mr. Jimenez, good morning, gentlemen.
Dorsey.
And good morning, Mr. Ryan and Mr. Williams.
Ryan.
Ryan.
Okay, that's who's on there now.
Ladies for the state, good morning, Ms. Hilton and Ms. Love. Good morning. All right, and Mr. Randolph, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Von Kelch.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Smith and Mr. and
Yes. Oblivious,
Ms.
yes.
Brown, I mean to leave gave you a short script this morning. Okay? All right, okay. All right. Let me go ahead and take care of a couple of housekeeping matters to begin with. Okay. Councils, we have correspondence through Ms. Von Kelsch pertaining to Juror 1734. So if you could turn to that juror, please. 1734.
He's not asleep. He's not asleep. He's praying. See, he's not asleep. He's not asleep. Trust me.
Okay. As it pertains to Juror 1734,
See, his head is up. You see his head? He's not asleep.
Ms. Von Kelsch, what group was she originally supposed to come in on?
She is in group 7, Your Honor.
All right, group 7. That would have been the last group of people that we subpoenaed, councils. And she was supposed to come in between the 8th and the 23rd of June. Subsequently, she has moved to Texas and has had several pieces of correspondence with Ms. Von Kelsch. And she has attached a copy of her lease, or house, I should say. It's a special warranty deed. And she also has attached a copy of her husband's employment at a Houston Methodist. He's going to be the Human Resources Senior Vice President of Human Resources and Chief Resources Officer. Is there any reason that I can't excuse Juror 1734, councils?
Not from the state, Your
For
Honor.
residency? All right, so 1734 will be excused for residency. And I will attach the correspondence between Juror 1734 and Ms. Von Kelsch, as well as the documents I referenced as part of the record, as the next court exhibit in order. All right, next item that the minister need to take up with you all. A couple of you, the couple councils, Mr. Weinstein and Mr. Mr. Adams and Mr. Steele, you all have pending motions for renewed motions for bond. They have been outstanding a little bit, and I apologize because we've not been able to get to them. I was gonna say I could do them this Friday.
This Friday?
Friday, yep, at 9 o'clock.
And it will be available.
Okay.
Mr. Kendrick.
Mr. Kenrick and Mr. Williams are the only two renewed motions for bond that I have at this point in time, so. They're on file.
His back is hurting him, y'all. He got to get that seat thing.
Gotcha, okay.
His back is killing him. That's why he keeps stretching and just trying to lean over and all that kind of stuff.
Okay, that's his next order of business. Now,
Yeah, I know. Courtney, I know too. My back be kicked. Remember that day I was waiting for a boosty thing? Oh my God, my back was killing me. No, I got to change the vocabulary. My back was showing some discomfort.
okay, what I thought we would do at this point in time, councils, is to go ahead and just review or account for the jurors that we have examined and otherwise excused to make sure that we have a valid list. And once we complete that particular task, then I'm going to go ahead and notice the first two panels for Wednesday. So that's the goal. So with that, Mr. Randolph, are you ready, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Von Kelch, you ready, madam?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, council's, we're starting in position number 1 in terms of group 1. Now, group 1, as you recall, was from 1 to 205. 1 to 205. And we've excused almost 135 folks. We have about 69 jurors remaining. That kind of gives you some type of numeric kind of line in the sand to look for. And they reported on the January 4th of 2023. So I'll do that for each set we're going to talk about. So with that, group 1.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Let's start with number 1. Number 1 is a stay. Number 2, excused. Number 3, excused.
Mr. Randolph, do you have the date that they were excused, sir?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Von Kelch, number 1 is still with us. Number 2?
Number 2, excused on 1/9.
Okay.
Number 3, excused on 1/9. Number 4, stay,
Yes.
February 22nd. Number 5, excused 1/9. Number 6, excused 1/9. Number 7, excused 1/9. Number 8, excused 1/9. Number 9, excused 1/9. Number 10, excused 1/9. Number 11, excuse joint cause 221. Number 12, excuse 19. Number 13, stay. No date, Your Honor.
No, there was no hardship.
No hardship on that.
Okay, no hardship for 13. All right, 14.
Number
Well, it's examined for hardship. Okay, all right. Go ahead.
Number 14, excuse 19. Number 15, stay.
No hardship.
All right.
Number 16, stay. We got it. It was a stay, Your Honor.
Yeah, we examined, I think, 16. Do you recall what date? Or did we examine 16 already?
Your Honor, for groups 1 through 3, we didn't have the meticulous system set up. So,
Okay, all right, okay.
in some cases, I can tell if there was no hardship alleged. In other cases, I don't recall if they were examined and were required to stay.
I have notes we examined 16. Does anybody else have any notes to the contrary? We did examine 16, so. I'm sorry, yeah, they're not excused. You're correct, Mr. Matthews. Okay, go ahead.
Number 17, excuse 19. Number 18, stay.
Okay,
Number 19, stay. I have no dates for those, Your Honor.
all right, sir.
Number 20, excuse 19. 21, stay. No, I don't have a date for that one.
Okay,
Number 22, excuse 15. 23, excuse 19. 24, excuse 19. 25, stay. I don't have a date. 26, stay. I don't have a date. 27, excuse 19. 28, excuse 19. 29, excuse 19. 30, excuse 19. 31, stay. I don't have a date.
No hardship.
No hardship.
okay, 32.
32, stay.
No hardship.
33, excuse 19. 34, excuse 19. 35, excuse 19. 36, excuse 19. 37, excuse 112. 38, excuse 112. 39, stay 222. 40, excuse 221.
40 was struck.
Was that a joint strike?
Yes.
Excuse.
Yes, on what date, sir?
Excuse, joint strike.
What date?
221,
Thank you, sir.
excused. 41, stay.
No hardship.
42, stay.
No hardship.
43, stay.
No hardship.
44, excuse 112. 45, excuse 112. 46, stay.
No hardship.
47, excuse 112. 48, excuse 112. 49, excuse 222. Okay.
Was that 49?
Yes, Your Honor, excuse.
49, I have statutory 2 kids. Does anybody else have anything to the contrary? Or? Okay. Yeah, there are 2 kids under 6. 2 girls.
50, excuse 14.
Fever.
51, excuse 126. 52, excuse 15. 53, stay.
No hardship.
54, stay.
No hardship.
55, stay.
No hardship.
56, stay.
No hardship.
57, excuse 222. 58, stay.
No hardship.
59, excuse
I'm
120.
sorry, that was a withdrawn hardship.
Okay.
Ron? Okay.
59, excuse 126. 60, excuse 222. 61, excuse 26. 62, excuse 112. 63, excuse 26. 64, excuse 112.
Is that a joint strike? Was attached. They didn't appear. Oh yeah, I think we dealt with her already. She was attached. Is that correct?
That's right.
Okay.
65, excuse 222. 66, excuse 19, not a resident. 67, excuse 126. 68, excuse 126. 69, excuse 23. 70, stay.
126.
Thank you.
71, stay.
126.
Okay. 72, excuse 126. 73, excuse 126. 74, excuse 126. 75, excuse 126. 76, excuse 126. 77, stay.
Hardship withdrawn for failure to appear. Can I just say?
Yes, you can. Yeah.
Forfeit? Okay.
70,
Hardship withdrawn. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Failure to appear.
78, stay.
Hardship withdrawn, failure to appear on hardship day.
79, excuse 23. 80, excuse
Hold on a
126.
second, Mr. Randolph.
Yes, sir.
What was, can you go back to 77? That was a hardship withdrawn, failure to appear on their hardship day. And what day was that?
77 was a stay.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
What day was that, Amy?
That was the 26th.
Okay, 126? All right, thank you. And then 178 was the same thing, failure, that they failed to appear for their hardship. They're still on the panel. And that was 126?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Councils, that is going to be important to the court because if you didn't appear for the date that you're supposed to appear for your hardship, and we note that, you're not going to be examined for hardship again because you gave your opportunity. We've gone through this 8 months. So if you didn't show for your day and we gave you that day without good cause, we're not going through that again. So that's why I've asked, we're going to go ahead and note that to make sure that we capture that for the record. All right, go ahead and continue. We have 78.
79, excuse 23. 80, excuse 126. 81, excuse 126. 82, stay.
No hardship.
83, stay.
No hardship.
84, stay.
No hardship.
85, excuse 28.
Hold on one second, Mr. Randolph. 85 was excuse 28.
Yes, sir.
What days were 82, 83, and 84 on no hardship, Amy?
I would have to go back and look, Your Honor.
Okay, well, that's fine. But all three of them have no hardship. 82, 83, and 84?
That's right, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. 85. So you said 218?
Okay, I need to pause it. Wars, you said recaps put on your notification for infamous Sylvia. Joseph, it's midnight. Yeah, it's midnight. It's midnight Eastern Standard Time here, so I don't know about where you are. Wars, so you were asking me to put a recap on? You have notification for infamous Sylvia? Put notification. I don't understand. Explain to me, please, Wars. I don't understand this. The recaps put on your notifications. Is that for me or for people in the chat? Oh, you responding to them. Okay. So many hardship. He be talking as Adolf for no reason. All right, let's go.
Randolph?
28, Your Honor.
28. Excuse for hardship. Okay. Go ahead.
86, excuse 130.
Thank you, sir.
87, excuse joint 221. 88, stay.
No hardship.
89, excuse 126. 90, excuse 124. 91, excuse 126. 92, excused.
Your Honor, that was in court. She moved to Texas as well. I don't have the date indicated.
So 92 moved to Texas?
Yes, Your Honor.
What date did we,
I just remember you saying on the record.
okay, we'll check that just to make sure. Say again?
I agree. I have noticed there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that were redid, and I don't have data when we did. It was 92, 13, 95, 18, 14, 18, 26, and 568. You did it from the bench.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right, okay. All right, continuing with 92's being excused. What about 93? That was a joint strike?
93 excused, joint release for cause.
What date?
2/21.
Thank you, sir.
94 stay.
Hardship was withdrawn, failure to appear for hardship.
95 excused, 2/21 cause, state and defense. 96 stay.
No hardship.
97 excused, 126. 98 stay.
No hardship.
99 excused, 19. 100 excused, 23.
99 was excused on 19, Mr. Randolph?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
want to make sure. All right, 100?
100 was excused on 23.
All right, thank you.
101 stay.
Withdrawn hardship for failure to appear on hardship date.
So withdrawn, so hardship was withdrawn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right.
102 excused, 222. A lot of them. 103 stay.
I'm not sure. I
I got that one denied.
Yeah, we denied that. She came in and she's deposition witness, and she may have to have a trial in a civil case, and I told her we could accommodate her. That was supposed to be in Florida, so we'll circle back with her once we examine her on that issue.
104 stay.
126.
105 stay.
Hardship withdrawn.
Hardship withdrawn.
That right
I'm sorry, yes.
there?
Okay,
106 stay.
No hardship.
107 stay.
okay. We examined 107 already.
108 stay.
No hardship.
109 stay.
No hardship.
110 stay.
No hardship.
111 excused, 126. 112 excused, 14. 113 excused, 123. 114 excused, 123. 115 excused, 123. 116 excused, 222. 117 stay.
No hardship.
118 excused, 130. 119 stay.
No hardship.
120 excused, 14. 121 stay.
No hardship.
122 stay.
No hardship.
123 excused, 123. 124 excused, 123. 125 excused, 123. 126 excused, 123. 127 excused, 123. 128 excused, 123. 129 excused, 123. 130 stay.
I'm sorry.
130.
I'm not sorry. Can you, 1 minute,
Sir.
on 128, you have as excused on 123.
Yes, sir.
Hold on 1 second. I don't know if we excused her.
I have not excused her.
That's what I have. I don't believe we excused her. She did stand for examination. I want to say,
I got it out here. On 128, aye.
128, yes.
I have not excused on January 23rd.
Yeah, I don't think I excused her for childcare.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna give you guys. I'm not gonna stay on this too much longer, but I'm gonna give you the panel of who they pick for tomorrow's panel. They pick number 1. They pick number 4, 13, 15, 16, 18, 19, 21, 25, 26, 31, 32. That's for the first half. Then for the second half, they pick 39, 41, 42, 43, 46, 53, 54, 55, 56, 58, 70, and 71. Did y'all hear that? All right, I'm going to play a little bit more. I just want to give you guys, because it's 24 per day. So it's 12 in the morning time and 12 in the evening. So you guys get, that's what they're going to be doing tomorrow. Okay, hold on. Finish playing this.
No childcare, where female attorney for on
Okay. Yeah, daycare. I have a daycare issue, and yeah. So we examined her on 123, but she was not excused.
You're on 128.
128. That's it.
That's a male.
White male. Yeah, 128 is a white male. Yeah. Do y'all have anything to the contrary state?
A28 consultant, Deloitte & Touche, Hartford, getting married in October, leading to a wedding on November, Honeymoon, California, United States.
I'll check on it. We can check on it.
Yeah.
I don't even think we got a question answer on 128. In the 9 months, I didn't have to excuse for some reason, so how does this state show?
That's what if you get them on, I'll check on it.
Just hold. Just hold.
What does he say?
Can you check Christina? Or is that? The date would have been 123. Right. And we won't start talking again until you do that. Oh. This reader's gonna download that day, so just hold on a second.
I just verified.
128 remains.
Gotta wait.
For my notes.
Gotta wait. Huh? Okay. Just give us a second.
I remain.
She's okay.
Okay, that's that part. Let me go to the second half. Oh, it's still showing it. Hold on. Things catching up. It's like kind of slow. Hold on, y'all. Just 1 second. I don't know what's going on with it. It's doing some counting. You said it's interesting to me that they're doing a jury panel like they would a death penalty jury panel on a state RICO case. There is no death penalty eligibility in this case, is there? As far as I know, I don't think so. I don't think so. No, I haven't heard anything about death penalty. No. No. Hold on, y'all.
Your Honor, did the court say your notes show that he was getting married in October and had his honeymoon? And no, he was having his honeymoon in November?
He was getting married on October 14th. I went on he's leaving on October 12th. Tuesday, October 17th will be his honeymoon.
Married October 23rd, October 23, I want to say 12 October through 25. I'm sorry. Leaving on the 17th, I think you're going to be out to the 25th.
He's leaving on October 12th. Tuesday, October 17th, it's going to be the honeymoon back in California.
Yeah.
Got it all.
About 6, yeah. While we're waiting, can we just recess and place the names down for the next meeting?
Yeah, you haven't come back. Yes. We'll see you.
Okay, remember, we're going to take a break at this point in time. Our defendants.
All right, everybody take a break. You're about to take a break. All right, they're taking a bathroom break, so we're gonna stop it from there. You guys, do you guys want me to read? Go ahead and read the let me take this off my face. It is 12:30, and I think I better get my butt to bed because I gotta go to court tomorrow. So I have the suppress motion that the state wants the judge to deny. You want me to go ahead and read that one, or what? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. What do you want? Do you want it? No. They got the suppression motion, and they want the judge to deny it. They responded to it, and do you want me to go ahead and read that? It's not that bad. Do you guys want me to read it? Read it, Sil. Okay, Bobby. Bobby said, read it, Sil. Okay, let's go ahead and read it. Let me just put my thing here so you guys can look at it while I read it. Hold on. I gotta put my marker on stuff because folks will steal stuff. They will steal stuff and then act like it's theirs. Okay, it's the suppress. Let's do the suppress one. They did the separate too. Let me just put the emotion. Let me put my mark on both of them. All right. We already know he's not going to sever it, so we know that. All right, let's make the color, my color purple. That's funny, right? The color purple. But purple is my color. All right, here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do the suppression one. This is the one where they're asking them to suppress evidence. And we're going to go ahead and read what it says. Okay, you ready? All right, let's go. All right. All right. I'm not going to read the title and all that. Let's just go ahead and read. No, we're going to read the title. We're not going to read all the stuff. You know, it's all the same. You know, the case number and all that kind of stuff. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. All right. It says state's response in opposition to Jeffrey Williams' motion in limine number 4. The state of Georgia, by and through the undersigned District Attorney Fannie T. Willis, hereby responds in opposition to defendant Jeffrey Williams' March 15, 2023 motion in limine number 4. In support of this response, the state shows the following. 1. Defendant Jeffrey Williams inter alia, charged under count 1 of the above style indictment with conspiracy in violating RICO, to violate RICO. OCGA 16-14-4C. Number 2, under count 1 of this indictment, William is charged with the commission of inter alia for the following overt acts in furtherance of the conspiracy. Overt Act 68, theft by receiving stolen property. OCGA 16-8-7 and 16-14-3.5A 12. Overt Act 69, possession of methamphetamine and intent to distribute. OCGA 16-1630B and 16-14-3AA. This looks like 34. I don't know how to count Roman numeral anymore. Overt Act 70, possession of hydrocortisone with intent to distribute. OCGA 16-13-30B and 16-14-3-5. You know what? Didn't the judge already rule on that? The drugs, remember? I could have sworn the judge ruled on that already. The more you get into the case. All right, so it says overt act Okay, hydrocodone intent to distribute, and overt act 71, possession of marijuana with the intent to distribute, OCGA, whatever, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to read those numbers no more. Overt act 72, participate in a criminal street gang. These overt acts arise out of September 24th, what date is this? 24/17th. Traffic stop that resulted in William arrest. The incident was indicted as DeKalb County Superior Court, 18 CR 3584-5. Williams filed a motion to suppress all evidence from this traffic stop in that case, which was heard and granted. So, yeah, the judge did rule on this. I think he did. Yeah, this is the same one. Okay. Why are they coming back with it? Okay, hold on. So his motion was granted to suppress evidence from the traffic stop in that case, which was heard and granted by the trial court and written by a written order. Exhibit A, contrary to Williams' assertion. I would be saying I was addicted. All right. Defendant motion at paragraph 1 and 2, paragraphs 3, 4. This ruling was appealed by the state, and the case was docket as case number A, whatever that case number is, Georgia Court Appeal, which reversed the trial court's ruling on Williams' motion to suppress on the merit, State versus William. Denied. As such, Williams' charges in that case remain pending. There is no valid ruling that any evidence, including Williams' statement ensuing from the traffic stop, is subjected to suppression. Neither the trial court nor the Georgia Court of Appeal reached the admissibility of Williams' statement during September 24, 2017 stop. In its written order, the trial court suppressed all evidence flowing from the stop based on the purported lack of articulable suspicion in initial stop. Exhibit A. The trial court based this decision on a credibility determination as to the officer's testimony about the window tint and supposed unconstitutionality of OCGA 40-8-73-1.1. ID 2 at 2-3. The trial court suppressed all evidence, including statement, firearm, and drug, based entirely on purported unlawfulness of the traffic stop. There is no mention in the written order of any specific statement made by Williams or anyone else during the stop. When the Georgia Court of Appeal reversed the trial court, it explicitly did so without regards to any such statement. See Williams 354, Georgia Appeal at 420. The Georgia Court of Appeal held only that based on the officer's testimony and the other evidence that there was sufficient factual basis presented to the trial court to justify the initial traffic stop. Williams' statement made during the traffic stops are not subject to suppression. Contrary to Williams' assertion, nothing in the state's position at the motion to suppress hearing or in the holding of Georgia Court Appeal suggests, much less dictates otherwise. Yeah, thank you. I remember that. William is correct that the res judicata applies to the stop, but this doctrine apply only to whether the stop was lawful. And as discussed above, it does not apply to Williams in Williams' favor. The doctrine of collateral estoppel precludes the re-adjudication of an issue of law or fact already adjudicated between the parties and their privies, where that issue is essential to the judgment. Moreover, the doctrine to provide that an issue previously litigated and adjudicated on its merits cannot be relitigated even as part of a different cause of action. Because it would be double jeopardy, right? Yeah. Mallory versus State. Okay, give a citation. The only issue litigated in the trial court was the legality of the initial traffic stop. The unreached issues of whether William made admissible custodial statement during the stop was not essential to the judgment of either the trial or appellate, both of which considered and ruled only on the validity of this stop. Application of doctrine of res judicata here means simply that Williams is precluded from challenging the validity of the stop in this proceeding. Contrary to Williams' assertion, this honorable court is fully authorized to consider and rule on the voluntariness and admissibility of statement William made during the stop. And the conclusion, for this reason, the state respectfully requests that the honorable court deny defendant Jeffrey Williams' motion in limine number 4. Respectfully submitted 18th day of July 2023. And they just put a copy of the motion, the ruling by the Honorable Adams. This is when he suppressed it. And then this is the appeals overturning certain spot. All right, so. All right, so guys, I am about to hit the sack because I got to get up in the morning and I'm getting a little bit sleepy. I took my old person nap, but I'm still sleepy. So, do anybody have any question before I end this live? And we'll continue tomorrow with some of the stuff that we have. I got a lot of stuff for us. We got to get some stuff to remind of what's the charges and stuff like that, because I think we need to get into that. And then we're going to discuss what happened in court as far as the panel. All right. Any questions? I believe he had a juvenile record. Thanks for the update. Oh, you're welcome, Sierra. But I'm sleepy, y'all. Yeah, I'm sleepy. Oh, I just want to tell y'all. Yeah, today I didn't get no gas money. I just want to tell you that, okay? I just want to tell you. Y'all not supporting your girl here. Y'all slacking. Y'all slacking me. All right, guys. You guys have a good night. Was bond ever addressed? It's going to be addressed. Teresa, you came in late. It's going to be addressed on Friday. On Friday, it's going to be addressed. I just gave just the information of, what time it is on Friday. They're going to do it at 9:00 on Friday. But I'm going to go live and bring the information to you guys as it's being brought in. Okay? I'll be tweeting it. But I'm getting sleepy. My head is hurting. No, it's okay, Teresa. You just came in. But I'm going to go to bed because I'm getting sleepy. Have a good night, guys. See y'all tomorrow if the Lord is willing. I'll see y'all on the other side. I'm going to go get these Z's so they could be dancing in my head. All right. All right, good people. Good night.